From Filmy. Hello everyone, congratulations, and first of all I want to say congratulate you all firstly. The show is looking really happening. So can we have a big round of applause for all of them sitting there? Say yes. My first question goes to you, Ananya. When was the last time you had the rickshaw ride? And the first time ever, if I talk about?
My dad and me, we share a car sometimes. So when he takes the car away, then I go to my Kathak class and stuff in a rickshaw. I know that there are no seatbelts in a rickshaw. So recently only I sat in a rickshaw, I think like a month or something ago. And the first time I must have sat was like in school, like when I was like 10 or 12 or something.
Oh wow, that's interesting. Now we also know that there is no seatbelt in a rickshaw. Well, thank you so much, Ananya.
So I have to ask you this, that there was a point in life where you said like there is struggle and it became a meme material completely. But still, like you said, that you have your own struggles, whenever it comes to the industry, being a part of the, industry world. What is that one thing which you struggle the most while trying to make a mark for yourself in the world of glamour?
Honestly, firstly, we've made fun of that line, honestly, ourselves. We've kind of owned up to it. And I said it so long back. I said it 5 years ago. I really struggle with answering this question now. Honestly, I'm done with that. But I think I'm just trying to keep my head down, work, and I hope people like my work. And there's no struggle. I'm doing fine only.
Thank you so much for your questions. It was such a fun Q&A, guys.
अनन्या पांडे का स्ट्रगल मीम तो सबको याद होगा। उनके अगले शो कॉल मी बाय के लॉन्च पर जब उनको पूछा गया कि आपने कभी बताया था कि आपके स्ट्रगल के बारे में, तो अभी आपका क्या कहना है, उस पर अनन्या पांडे ने कुछ ऐसे जवाब दिया। यही नहीं, जब उनसे ये भी पूछा गया कि आपने कभी रिक्शा में बैठे हो, तो सबको आश्चर्य कर पांडे ने कहा, जी हाँ, रिसेंटली ही बैठी थी, जहाँ रिक्शा में सीट बेल्ट नहीं होते। दरअसल जर्नलिस्ट कोशिश कर रही थी कि अनन्या पांडे से कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें बुलवाई जाए कि वो एम्बैरेस हो जाए या तो फिर कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल बन जाए, लेकिन अनन्या ने बहुत ही स्वीटली उसको हैंडल किया और प्रेस के क्वेश्चंस को भी वही ख़त्म कर दिया गया।